Hello Rust Club and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Homebrew channel and get the Homebrew channel onto your Wii so you can download some cool mods. And so let's get straight into the video. First you're going to select Wii options, Wii settings, and make sure your Wii is on version 4.3. Mine says U because it's the US version, but you might say different depending on where you live. Scroll right and select Internet. Select Connection Settings and make sure you have a connection test. Click on the one you're going to use, then click Change Settings. Scroll right until you see Auto Obtain DNS. Select No and then Advanced Settings. Then in Primary DNS, type in 18.188.135.9. Then select OK. Select Secondary DNS and type the same thing, 18.188.135.9. Select OK. Then select Confirm. Then select Save. It will now initialize a connection test, and just wait for it to finish connecting, and this will connect it to the internet. So while it's loading, we can just say that this I'm not responsible for any damage that may happen to your console, so just to keep the note of that, and please do not use this in any harmful ways. Then it's going to ask you if you wanted to do a Wii system update, and just select No. Then what you're going to do on this screen is just back out again, and then select User Agreements. Then select Yes. It's going to black out the screen, and then it's going to show the screen, then click Next. It's going to connect to the internet another time. And then it's going to show the screen. Select I accept. It's going to freeze, and that's normal. It's going to freeze for about 1 to 2 minutes. And so while this 1 to 2 minutes takes place, I can just say that there are some pretty cool mods, and I want to show most of you guys to them. And so a couple mods that I do recommend, and I personally have, are CDGPR, which adds over 200 tracks to Mario Kart Wii. Then there's also Project M and Project Plus, which are mods for the game Super Smash Bros. Brawl. And it allows a couple more characters and stages and some more skins. And there are some add-ons to those mods as well. And then we also have some other really just fun apps and applications you can get. Some of my favorite are emulators. Remember, you can only get emulators for consoles that you own, because piracy is a law and it is illegal. So only get emulators that you have for consoles you own. And then another fun mod I've been playing recently, as I am posting this video, is Mario Kart Hide and Seek. If you would like to see how to download any of these mods, just subscribe, and then I will be known to upload a video describing on how to download these mods. It's going to take just a little bit longer now, and you can skip ahead if you want. And oh, there it goes. The code will appear on the screen, and this is completely normal, so you do not panic at all. And it's just going to take a while. And it's just going to take maybe a couple little seconds to boot it up. It's going to show a green glitchy screen in a second. And remember, that's completely normal. It's just booting up the channel. Yep, there goes the little screen. And then it will say, this software must not be sold, neither alone nor as part of a bundle. If you paid for this software or received it as part of a bundle following payment, you have been scammed and should demand your money back immediately. Then it says, for further details, see http://hbc.hackme.com/scam. So this is if you actually paid for this software, and it's saying that you shouldn't have, and this is a completely free software. Then just press 1 to continue. Then you're going to use the D-pad to control, and then select continue. And then go up and select Install Homebrew Channel, and then select Install. It's going to say Success, click Continue. And then try to download BootMe. In my case, it didn't work. Select Install BootMe, then click Yes, Continue. Mine failed, but yours may connect, and this will do a lower chance of brick. But then once we select exit, you can see we are now in the Homebrew channel. If you just pressed the home button, you can see it says X to system menu. Just click that. And you'll see we'll have the Homebrew channel. This will mean we can download as many mods as we want. Of course, you're going to need an SD card, and if you'd like to see some tutorials, please like and subscribe so I can know to make these videos. And I really enjoyed making this video, and hopefully this allowed you to get the Homebrew channel. And I hope to see you guys playing in a lot more mods. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.